Join us as we tour a studio stateroom on board Norwegian Aqua, coming up on Talking Cruise. So welcome to Stateroom 13555 here on board Norwegian Aqua. This is a studio stateroom and I look forward to sharing this with you. Let's check this out. We're going to start with our room key here. Get into the room. So when you first come into your room, you want to make sure you put your room key in the slot over here. Otherwise you will lose power, and these rooms having no window are very, very dark. So I'll start here at the door. We do have the AC controls right here. So you can basically swipe up for colder or warmer. You also have the option of the do not disturb, as well as, whoop, the screen just went off, your makeup room. Now these are the tiniest rooms on board the ship at around 98 square feet, so definitely designed for the single traveler in mind. But one thing to notice as I walk through here is that everything is laid out very efficiently. Like in most staterooms on board cruise ships, you really have to maximize the usage of the space, and that is certainly quite apparent here in the studio. So starting right here, you can see there is a really nice organizational section piece here for your storage. So lots of shelves. These are open, so if you're somebody that doesn't like a lot of clutter, this might not be the best thing for you, but this is quite a bit of storage here as far as actually being able to put things. This large area right over here could be utilized to put your luggage, and then below that you do also have a couple of pretty sizable drawers by cruise ship standards, certainly. And then over here you do have another small one. This would be good maybe for some papers and things like that that you need but don't really need on the desktop. And then right below that we do have another cubby that does have your mini safe as well as some more storage below. Now right next to the organizational area you do have sort of the desk setup, makeup mirror if you will, which is really nice. It has a lot of really great backlighting for you. Any of the beverages that you do see in the room when you arrive, these are going to be at a cost. It says right here the bottles of water are $4.50 to $6.50 depending on your preference. You'll also have your box of Kleenex and the room's telephone. Now looking over here at power options, we do have a standard USB, we do have a US and a European outlet, and then over here we have another US outlet. And I'll show you some more power options in a moment in another part of the room. And then right below the desk we do have a stool. There's really not room for a full chair here, and then you can see they tucked in the hairdryer right over here as well. And that's not it for storage. There is this larger cabinet that does have a lot of space for hanging clothes, and then there is also more little cubby below as well. Up against the bed you do have a full-length mirror, which is always welcome, especially in a room of this size. Now there is no room for a queen-size bed in a room of this size, but this is pretty decent actually. It's a full-size bed, so it is up against one of the walls. That's again to maximize the space around the edge of the bed here. But over on this side you do have your flat screen television, which is actually on a movable support, so it can actually come out from the wall. You can angle it towards you as you're in bed, or I guess if you're in the shower you could do that as well. And then there's this little cubby right over here that does have the redundant lighting controls, and then you will see there's another USB port right there. And this is kind of nice with this little rail. You can put your electronics there. You don't have to worry about them falling down if the ship is moving. And right over the bed as well there is also this reading lamp that pulls out. So lots of great illumination options even in a smaller room like this. Now over here in the bathroom they've really gone to extremes to make it as efficient as possible. So you'll see right here there is actually no door between the room, and that is because the shower door actually doubles as the door to the room itself. So when you're in the space, you can see you open up this shower door, it then closes and becomes the door in there. So I guess when you're taking a shower you would close it obviously to stop the water penetration, but this is sort of a door. I don't know, if you want to keep the noise out when you're in here, you could do. And nice amount of storage as well for this size of a bathroom. And then the vanity is not overly huge, but it definitely serves the purpose that you'll need it for. What I really like in this entire room and in the bathroom as well is there's really nice ambient lighting. So there's floor lighting there underneath the cabinetry. You do have the mirror that does have a surround of light around it. So that's really nice. And I don't even have the top lights on yet. There's two in the main room and another one in the shower. Now over here in the shower itself, it's a very nice size shower for, again, the size of the room. So you do have a storage up here and another one below it for your soaps and your scrubs and whatnot. There's another little bit of storage right here over where the shower bar is. And then you have your refillable amenities. You've got shampoo and your shower gel. This is pretty standard now throughout the industry. As far as the height of the shower, it's pretty good. I'm 5'11" myself, so I've got a pretty good amount of headspace on top of me. And then the shower is on a wand, so you'll just remove that as needed, or you can adjust the height and make it to your liking. And lastly, one of the great other features that you do have with the studio or solo rooms on board Norwegian cruise ships is that you have access to the studio lounge, and I'm going to go take you there now to have a look. So from up here on deck number 13, you can get down to the lounge with this set of stairs here, down to deck number 12. So here we are on deck 12, and this is the studio lounge that you'll have access to if you book a studio or a solo room here on Norwegian Aqua. Very nice space. It's really designed for you to meet and mix and mingle with other guests that are traveling solo on board your cruise. Another great perk is that you do have access to this espresso machine here. It's very similar to what Royal Caribbean has with their Crown and Anchor Society lounge on board their ships. So you'll have a nice selection of coffees and teas and so forth. Some cool beverages, and then there'll be some snacks and stuff switched out here throughout the day. And then you'll need your beverage package, but there is also a soda machine right in here, and ice, as well as a few options for beer and for wine.